So this is my first painting I've ever done. Uh, One thing I don't like is this. I will add more dots of gold, I think. It's messy. I'm not sure. I need more time. But anyway, I like the octopus. And I like the bird. Maybe define the feathers a little bit more, but and the eye. Anyway, we got the jellyfish on this way, mirroring the DNA strand. And then we got the mirror eyes. But this is also the sun, and this is also like a comet. Also, this is a imaginary bird. It's kind of like a cardinal mixed in with other birds. And yeah, this is supposed to be a lizard. It's not well defined, but we got the little fish tail, and this lizard is becoming the splash in the water for that fish tail, but that lizard hand right there. Tell me what you think.